Hello everybody, in this short video I will show you what I'm going to show in my talk on the 22nd of April. So the topic of my talk is GeoGebra, the present and the future. I'm Julia and I'm leading the GeoGebra Community Team. And today I'm going to show you some different parts that I will show in my talk. So let's start with the website. So on the website, we created a completely digital version of the Illustrative Mathematics curriculum. So in my talk, I will show you this curriculum and where you will find it. So this curriculum is perfect for teaching, for example, in remote classes, and especially if you teach it together with GeoGebra Classroom. GeoGebra Classroom is a tool where you can have live conversations and combine that with interactive tools. So you can assign interactive tasks to your student, and you can also view the progress of the students. So you see on which tasks are they working, how many tasks they already started. If they have some troubles, you would see that. So you can here work together with your students. And in my talk, we will do a demo, so you will see the perspective of a student and also the perspective of a teacher. Just for you, a quick sneak peek, how does it look like? So you can see here, for example, when you have a multiple choice question, you get a nice chart where you can see all the answers of the students. Or also if the students are working in an applet, you can see in real time the changes of the work of the students. So you will see that in my talk. Yeah, then of course, I'm going to give an outlook in my talk. So we are working on some new features in Classroom, which I will also show you in my talk. Yeah, then I also want to talk about some community achievements which we did in the last year. So for example, we created nice resource collections where we collected lots of different great resources from our community and restructured them so that it's easier for teachers that they can find these great resources. And we also created some remote learning templates so that's easier, for example, in remote learning that you get an insight how are the students are feeling, or if you want to check out are they stressed or are they okay. So there are lots of different nice applets you can use for that. I will also show that in my talk. Yes, then I also want to show you what's new on the app side. We created a new app. The app is called the Calculator Suite. So this app combines all our other apps. So for example, the graphing calculator, the geometry app, the 3D calculator, and the CAS app are now combined in one app. And you can switch between these perspectives in the calculator suite. So you now can also use that app in exam modes, and you can use different perspectives in exam mode. The app is available on web and also for Android and iOS. So in my talk, I will show you a quick demo of the app so that you can see all the functionalities. So as you can see here, I will also give you an overview, which apps do we have and which functionalities do the different apps have. So the idea of the Suite Calcu is that it will be the successor of the good old classic app. Yeah, and of course, I will also give you here a short sneak peek what is coming for the Suite app next. And yes, that were my topics for the talk. I'm looking forward to see you at the talk and to show you some nice demos that you can also try out all the stuff I showed you now here quickly, and to give you also some insights in the future that you know what we are working on.